Introducing the world of print on demand, a lucrative business model that has been making waves on platforms like Etsy.
Imagine making over $21,000 per month by simply selling mugs online. It may sound too good to be true, but numerous successful shops have achieved remarkable results using this exact strategy. Today, we're going to dive into this business model with a slight twist, leveraging the power of AI to automate and streamline the process. What's the earning potential for this? Let's take a closer look at the incredible income potential of this business model. One notable example is the shop called Strictly Business Mugs, which has achieved outstanding success by focusing solely on selling mugs. With over $800,000 in mug sales, their results speak for themselves. But wait, there's more. Another shop called Les Blues, despite being on Etsy for a shorter time, has amassed an astounding $1.25 million in revenue from selling mugs. Their success is truly impressive. Let's explore some of their designs to understand the impact they've made. Now, what's truly mind-blowing is the consistency of their success. Over the course of 1,735 days since opening their shop, Les Blues has achieved an average daily income of $720. That means they have been earning a staggering $21,613 each month. These figures may seem too good to be true, but the numbers don't lie. So, is this just clickbait or an actual profitable business? The evidence suggests that this business model has the potential to generate substantial income. The success stories of Strictly Business Mugs and Les Blues demonstrate the immense possibilities within the world of print on demand. So, how do we do this? First, sign up on Etsy. Visit the Etsy website and click on the Sell on Etsy button located at the bottom of the page. Open a shop using your business email address. Secondly, connect with Printify. Sign up for Printify, a print-on-demand platform, using the same business email address. Connect your Etsy shop to Printify by clicking on the Connect button. This will ensure that your products and orders sync up seamlessly between the two platforms. Next, utilize Midjourney AI. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generation tool that can help you create unique designs for your mugs. Join the Midjourney beta by visiting their website and clicking on the Join the Beta button at the bottom of the page. This will connect you to the Midjourney server within Discord. You can pay for a Midjourney subscription to access the full features and commercial rights of Midjourney. You will need to pay a monthly subscription fee of $10. This will allow you to sell the generated images. And lastly, start generating designs. In the Midjourney Discord server, initiate a private chat with the Midjourney bot. Use the chat box to type a / and explore the various prompts and options available. You can input any text to generate unique designs for your mugs. How do you make art that sells? To create a design, start by crafting a descriptive prompt. Let's take the example of a cactus mug that has been successful and generated approximately $2,000 in sales. For this prompt, you could type something like cactus plant in the style of watercolor painting, sharp and prickly, on a white background. Including the mention of a white background is crucial for versatility. Enter the prompt in the chat box and hit enter. Midjourney will generate 4 new images based on your prompt. These images will offer different interpretations and variations of your desired design. Review the generated options and assess their usability. If none of the initial options align perfectly with your vision, you can click the Reroll button to generate 4 new images based on the same prompt. This gives you more choices to work with and increases the chances of finding the ideal design for your mug. If one of the generated images is close to what you want but needs some minor adjustments, you can use the variation buttons provided. Clicking on a variation button will generate 4 new images that are similar to the selected design. This allows you to refine and explore different versions of the design until you find the perfect fit. Once you find an image that meets your requirements, click on the corresponding upscale button to make it larger. This will ensure that the design retains its quality and clarity when printed on the mug. Now, let's move on to how to start making money off your designs. Once you have downloaded the image of the design you created, you can upload it directly to a white mug on Printify. The design will fit perfectly and enhance the mock-ups of the mugs on the platform. If you decide to use a smaller mug, you may need to adjust the position of the design slightly to ensure it looks even better. With the design uploaded to Printify, you can proceed to publish it in your Etsy shop. This design alone has the potential to sell, but you can leverage AI even further to create more variations and enhance your designs. For example, you can use another AI tool like ChatGPT to generate a list of trademark-free funny puns and sayings that can complement your cactus design. This tool is free and will provide you with plenty of ideas to add catchy sayings to your mug. Once you find a saying that you like and verify that it's not a trademarked phrase, you can add a text layer below your design in Printify. Simply type in the chosen saying and customize the font using platforms like Figma or Canva if Printify doesn't have the specific font you desire. At this point, you have transformed your initial design into a ready-to-list product with minimal effort, thanks to the power of AI. You can repeat this process to create a wide range of unique and appealing designs with hardly any work involved. It's important to note that you only need one design to become successful and generate significant sales. In the listing section of your Etsy shop, you can quickly edit the product details to ensure it accurately reflects the design and description. With the design, catchy saying, and proper listing details in place, you're ready to showcase your AI mug and start making sales. And that's it, you're done. The beauty of this side hustle lies in its potential for passive income. Once your designs are uploaded to Printify, they can be easily integrated with white mugs, ready to be sold. With proper marketing, compelling product listings, and a touch of AI creativity, you can attract customers and turn your AI mugs into a profitable venture. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.